Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get SSL certificates on GoDaddy. So before we start, of course, the first thing that you would like to do is just go and open whatever browser you are going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course in your case, you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you. Once you open that browser, make sure to go into this URL section, simply type godaddy.com and hit the enter button. Of course, that should take you into this page. And if you're facing any issues with the language, as I faced in my first time in this website, you'll have to scroll down until the bottom of it and make sure to change the country or region, which will change the language with it. Of course, if you want even to change the currency, this will be possible. So now you will have to go back and log in into your account if you have one. And if you don't have an account, you'll have to go and create one. Of course, you will be able to do both options. As this top right corner option, you will find the option to create or even log in into your account. Once you did one of those two options, you'll find yourself on this screen, which is going to be your home screen or your main screen on GoDaddy website. So as we said in the beginning of this tutorial, we would like to get an SSL certificate on GoDaddy. Once we are at this page, we'll have to scroll down a bit until we find this. Make sure to click at SSL security. As you can see, this will open this page for you. Here you'll find all the plans for the SSL certificate. Look for whatever suits you. Of course, every plan comes with its own benefits. And of course, if you pay more, you will get more benefits, as everyone knows. So make sure to read everything like wisely and choose whatever is gonna suit you for your domain name or your website or whatever it is, and simply click at add to cart. Let's say as an example is gonna be this. Click at add to cart, then you'll find yourself at your cart here, at your checkout on your cart, of course, and you'll simply have to you can buy more than plan if you want. You can buy just one, you can select how much years, and once you're done with this, you can just I'm ready to pay or PayPal, just do whatever you want and you'll be good to go. So that'll be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.